Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get gems in Brawl Star on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Brawl Star app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your main screen, tap on Shop on the right side or left side of the main screen. This is where you can see offers and gems pack. The easiest way to get gems is to buy them with real money. Just tap the gem pack you want, confirm payment using Apple Pay, and the gem will appear in your account. You can also get gem for free by opening big boxes, mega boxes, or free boxes. These sometimes contain 1 to 3 gems. Play regularly and collect boxes from Brawl Pass, event, and daily free boxes. Participate in events, special challenges, and quests. Some events give gems as reward if you finish certain tasks or win matches. If you have the Brawl Pass, you can earn gems as you level it up. Even the free tier sometimes gives a small amount of gems. And that's it. By buying gem pack, opening boxes, completing event, and leveling up your Brawl Pass, you can get gems in Brawl Star on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.